Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this logo and it's not terrible. We need to remove the white. They're going to engrave it on an anodized aluminum dog tag real small. So it doesn't have to be perfect because the smaller it gets, the less imperfection. Let's see how big this thing is. It's pretty big, so we're going to reduce it. I think it helps Corel trace it, saves time. So we're going to go to trace bitmap. We're not going to do anything. We're not going to convert it to a bitmap, outline, trace, clip art. And it's done. Now we can take the trace version, put it over here, and you can see it's pretty sharp. But we need to get rid of the white. Probably the best way to do it, the easiest way, was I'm going to go up here and go to Object, Group, and ungroup it. Now we could take out like that white, but instead of taking out all this white, we're going to use Edit, Find and Replace. We're going to select our item. And right here it says From Selection. So we're going to select a white. I'm going to hit that star right there and put From Selection. It's finding all the white, and then I'm going to go Find All. And I'm going to hit Delete. Look at that. The text traced really good. I mean, it's a little bit off. You could redo that. The eye doesn't look too bad. This is basically ready to engrave. Let's take away some of this gray matter. It'll make it look sharper. And a couple other spots. I would engrave that. Now, I'm going to make a second video on how we could clean up some of it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.